everyone.
Hi everyone.
Well, welcome back to the Dockland Partridge, the place of own fine craft tales. If you haven't met me before, you won't find him watching any documentary regarding an ex-prince and a succubus wife on Netflix anytime soon, because it's world famous. Alan Partridge.
I just got to. What documentary is this, bro?
Have you not seen?
What's scene?
On Netflix.
I ain't got Netflix.
Ex-Prince Harry and his succubus wife have done a reality
I
documentary.
wondered where we're going with that. Anyway, this is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge. How you doing, bro?
Brilliant.
Hey,
Basically, it's a complete fabrication of reality.
Right, yo.
And yes, a lot of slating by that Piers Morgan fella and other people on the said social media.
Right, yo.
Yes.
Oh, I get to learn all the plus when I come around here, don't I?
I'm surprised you haven't seen it. I watched the clip, it made me stomach churn and nearly vomited.
Nah, I won't watch it. No, I think that's not for me. Nah, not for me.
All spreading, muck spreading. Yeah, anyway.
Anyway.
In fact, it made me that mad and nearly cancelled my Netflix subscription.
Don't be silly, there's lots of good things on Netflix.
So I've emailed Netflix and complained that it should come actually with a warning before the video starts. No, one of those says, this programme may make you vomit.
Or maybe fictitious.
Anyway, that's aside.
Moving on to the real reason we're here. If you haven't seen this before, we do talk about it.
We do.
He brews it.
I do.
From beer kits.
Yes.
We drink it, review it, and tell you what we think of it, basically.
Yeah, we try and give you our best honest opinion wherever we can. We always try to remain impartial. Some companies do send us beer kits these days, and we do thank those companies very much indeed.
Oh yes, thank you very much.
But if it is about them, I do say.
Oh, we say, don't we?
We do.
We do.
We do.
So, I believe tonight we've gone dark.
We've got across to the dark side again, across the range of beers, across the bar. They're all dark.
Where would you like to start this evening, Ray?
Well, Lord Sith, I think I'm going to start at this end of the bar and start with the Dockland's Porter.
Dockland's Porter. This is from Montons, then.
It is indeed, sir, yeah.
Dockland's Porter, 40-point beer kit. By the looks of it, this, I haven't done a packaging thing for a while. Here we go, here's a bit of packaging. I take it this is a malt extract kit?
Yeah, 2 tins of malt extract in there. Quality malt extracts from those guys at Monton from Stone Market, I think they are, down in Suffolk.
There's a address on there. Manufacturers to Stone Market. Hey, he's good, isn't he, my bro? So, right then, here's a bit blurred. At the turn of the 19th century, a very special beer was brewed for the dockyard workers of the bustling port of London.
Oh, yeah.
Dockland's Porter was named after strong men who unloaded cargo from ships and berthed at the many wharves along the Thames.
Should suit us then.
Yes. Rich, satisfying, thirst quenching, all sorts in there.
Oh, right, okay.
How much do we know on that?
And normally they were about 20 quid.
Okay.
They've gone up recently, as everything else, because of the something to do with cost of living or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a crisis anyway.
It's crisis. Do you have to put any extra stuff to it? So it's all available in there?
Yeah.
Well then. Well, it's dark.
It's dark. And if you hold it up to the light, there's
I'm putting really as much as I can. There's a slight red tinge to it.
a slight red tinge, isn't there?
Right, let's give it a bit of a
You're
swirl.
getting a lot
Now, we are reviewing this at probably the coldest time of year.
It is absolutely minus something outside.
So we're trying to get a bit of a warmth into the beer.
Yeah, we poured them. We haven't tried
I haven't
these
tried
beers.
any of these.
These are fresh from the barrel. And this is...
I hate to say it, but I'm getting quite a lot of malty nose on that.
I'm getting quite a lot of a malty nose, but again, porters do have a big malty nose, don't they? They're rich, spicy. And
Personally, I'd want more chocolatey coffee coming through. On the nose, I haven't tasted it yet, obviously. But yeah, certainly getting that sugary maltness to nose. Right.
It does say keep a long time.
Okay.
Keep a couple of bottles, it says to a side for about 6 months. This has actually been in the cave a good 2 months.
Yes, cool.
So it should be well conditioned.
Right, yeah.
Ready to go.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. You can tell it's a kit.
Yes.
It's not a bad kit.
No. Not any means. I mean,
Once it's got that homebrew tang, you can tell it's a
it's
kit.
not got homebrew tang, but I am getting a lot of overtones of the malt.
Yes.
Almost a little bit too sweet.
Yes.
A little bit.
Mm-hmm.
No dryness, no nothing. Not for me, I don't think, anyway.
I'm getting a little bit of dryness at the back of the tongue now. Like you say, it's a sweet bitterness, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, like a rich, sweet bitterness.
Yeah.
I
I could quite happily drink a pint of that.
Yeah.
You know, there's nothing
I
wrong
want
with
to drink it.
Yes.
I want to drink it. It's not a let's go down the sink.
No, it's only 4.5% as well.
Mm.
So it's quite a nice sessionable beer. For me, it does need to be a bit warmer, but that's just weather.
Yeah.
Isn't it? It's just a little bit too cold, that.
Yeah. Probably it might change its taste if we
could get that a little bit warmer, it might fill out a little bit. That's all. Yeah. Are we going for a mark out of 10?
I reckon around about an 8.
I'm going to join you on that. It's bob on. There's nothing wrong with it.
Got a good colour. Slightly not got that mouthful feel like you would from the full grain kit. But it's not bad. Be fair, if you haven't done a lot of kits and you made this beer into your dark beers,
very happy with it.
You'd be very happy with that.
Our problem is nowadays, obviously, we kind of do tend to judge kits against full grain kits, don't we? Yeah. Which always probably going to have that edge on your malt extract ones.
Yeah.
Right.
But if you haven't got the time, money as well, because you need quite a bit of kits for the full grain, this is a great way of making a fairly decent beer that's going to be about 86p a pint.
Bang on. Right. Next beer.
Next beer.
Right then, still sticking with the dark side. Here we go then. So this is from Cellar Supplies, I believe. You got it written on there. This is Design and Brew Craft Pack. Genius Irish Style Stout.
I'll just interrupt you there, bro. I've just poured that. It's coming through the nitro, and wow! I don't know if you can see that on camera. You probably won't from back there. It's like the bubbles are raising like they all do on a Guinness.
I don't know if you, like I say, I don't know if you'll see that on camera, but just like a Guinness in the pub, eh? Wow, bad boy. Oh. Is one mine?
Yeah, can.
Cool. So this kit was $27.50 by the looks of it.
Yeah.
As smooth as kissing the stone itself.
What stone?
The Blarney Stone.
What's a Blarney Stone?
I do apologise to our Irish viewers. Anyway, you don't need to be a genius to brew and enjoy this stunning stout.
All right, okay.
Smooth and full-bodied with rich grain flavours running to a clean, dry bit finish for a stout to savour. So again, this is a malt extract kit.
No, yes.
No, yes.
Both.
Yes, I did see there's some design style things here on the back.
Yes.
So this is, it's got some tea bag and hops in with it.
Yes, and?
I don't know, you tell me.
Actually, it's got a little tiny bag of grain in it. Probably the crystal, yes. It doesn't say what type of grain it is.
No, but it says you'll need a sieve to strain grains.
Yeah. So it comes with a little tiny bag of dark grain. I would have said like the speciality bit of the grain that you'd probably use in a big brew. So like crystal, dark crystal or something like that. So what you do with this is you steep it in a saucepan. You don't get no muslin bag to put it in. You just steep the grain as you would do normally at 66 degrees in a saucepan. Don't need any other special kit.
Cool.
For about half hour. Once it's done, you get your sieve. You strain it into your fermenter.
Well, yeah.
You add your malt extract, and away you go.
So it's basically sort of like my extract kit plus.
Yes.
It's the next step, isn't it?
It's the next step, really. So it's a great way if you are, doing malt extract kits only, and you're thinking of like doing something else. Try this as a really proper mini mash. You just need a saucepan, basically. And if you ain't got a missus, well,
there you go.
You can burn as many saucepans as you like.
Did you burn any?
No.
Well, yeah then.
Just smell the kitchen out for about half an hour.
Yeah,
chocolate malty stuff around.
Bruce 40 pints, approximately 5%
Yes.
ABV.
Yes.
There you go. I forgot after mine. There we go.
This is available at Amstead Own Brew Shop.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if I said that, £27.50. One of the only places you'll probably find it. I've got a few kits off them. This is one I thought I'd give it a go.
Lovely jubilee.
One of my subscribers, thank you very much, kindly said that putting me in the direction of them, and so I ordered a few kits.
Rightio. So, here we go then.
Here we go.
It's looking good, isn't it? I mean, it looks like it is.
Oh, smell it, smell it.
Oh. That's got chocolate notes, it's got roasted notes.
Unlike the other one, you're getting a lot more of what I'm looking for. You get that coffiness coming through, that chocolate.
I'm getting virtually no malt to it. It is cold, but then again, obviously you get this Guinness extra cold, don't you? So,
yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Right.
Cheers. Good morning.
Blooming heck.
Oh my life.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Cracking beer.
I can't believe that's kit.
I can't actually. That's got everything. Actually, it's really nice, full bodied. It's coffee, roasted, stouty, Guinnessy.
Basically, yes.
Yes.
Not only that, you're not getting that watery mouthful feel like you did with the Dockland Porter.
No.
I mean, it's fantastic. It's
Fantastic.
10 out of 10.
It's 10 out of 10 all day long.
You can't tell that's not an all-grain kit.
No. And in fact, if it was, it'd be on the list. Simple as that. Oh.
Got that from Amstead own brew shop. I think it's probably the only place you can find it.
Yeah.
Get across there. Try out if you want to next stage of brewing.
Oh.
This is a great next step.
It's cracking beer.
Cracking beer.
Lovely jubilee.
Lovely jubilee.
We're going next, bro.
We're going to Worcester Hop Shop next, bro.
Oh. Now then, I haven't got any packaging with this. Down here.
This is a full grain kit.
So this is a 4-grain kit. Oh, now let me have a look, because I did have this loaded a minute ago. Okie dokie. So then, this is Hydes Dark mild style recipe beer kit. A recipe pack containing all the ingredients to make a clone all grain version of Hydes Dark mild.
I'm sure.
Yeah, I've had too much. Hydes Dark mild.
Yes. I've never had it before.
Me neither.
No.
I will say, Worcestershire Hop Shop, the site is a little bit difficult to
It
read.
is, yes.
Because you've got
clunky as well.
white type on a colour background, so I'm struggling there.
I think you need a new designer there.
Because I'm old, no, I can't see it. So we've got fruit and malt notes, complex taste including berry fruits, malt and a hint of chocolate.
Yeah. I'm getting there's a nice smell again through this one. I'm getting the chocolatey, I'm getting the roasted barley. It's all coming through.
What sort of percentage we said? 3.5?
Well, no, actually, I started at 3.5.
Okay.
I didn't really want to buy a 3.5 beer or spend 4.5 hours brewing a 3.5.
I don't want a 3.5% beer.
So I went round to my brewmate Phil's and said, "Oi, can I have some grain?" And he got a big box of grain, and he gave me a kilo and a half of Marisotto, I think he's got.
Okay.
So I stuck that in there. I probably should have stuck a few more hops in to counterbalance it, but it should now brew somewhere around about 4.5 to 5%.
But the kit itself, $13.99.
Yeah.
You can't beat that, can you?
No.
Really, £14.
No.
So we've got it is exactly what it says. It's kind of like a reddy colour to it. What have we got for the nose there? We say, right? Oh yeah, we got
It's fairly light actually.
it is for a mild, I would have said personally, but yeah, we've got those malt notes coming through. What do you reckon?
Going in.
Oh, it's going in. He's not hanging about.
Oh,
That's nice.
oh, another cracking dark
That's
beer.
cracking dark beer.
Again, this time there's more dryness and the bitterness. It's yeah.
There's more fruitiness to it as well, isn't there?
That's the word I was
Yeah,
looking for,
fruitiness.
bro. There's more fruitiness and less chocolatiness, but the bitterness is fairly good as well. That's a cracking beer.
It is a cracking beer. I mean, it's cracking beer all day long, bro.
Yeah, I'm straight in with 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for me. Lovely jubilee.
Lovely jubilee.
Yeah, that it.
That's about it. Yes, it's about it. I think he's had enough tonight.
I'll tell you what's going on. If you're watching this video back, you might unfortunately notice a couple of cuts because we've had to do a few edits on this video.
Yeah.
Hence, I'm a little bit wobbly. So next
Just come on
time,
next time, bro, with the dog party.
Dark Rock Barista Coffee Porter.
Yes.
Dark Rock Ember Glow Red Ale.
Yes, they're two new kits from Dark Rock. The limited edition brought them out as a winter range. If they're any good, I'm probably trying to say Dark Rock. Keep them on for a bit.
Lovely. And Heart of England Platinum Range Boston Black Country Mild.
Yes, that's another extract kit from those guys at Amstead Homebrew Shop. Hopefully they'll start following us now. We've reviewed one of their kits and then about to do another
Oh,
one.
is that the Guinness one? Oh,
Yeah.
that was good. That was. That was a
Yes,
good kit. That.
lovely.
Well, I think we better call it a day, aren't we?
Yes, obviously. And being here on Friday night, going up and down the bar again, bro. Trying out all these beers.
Hard life in it, trying out all these beers.
And I think we can basically start wherever we like. But I think all three will be going down the hatch.
They're all very good. If I had to pick one personally, it'd probably be the Guinness, to be honest. They're all good.
Don't know. We'll have to try again Friday night. Let me know if it was standing up straight.
There you go. It's been a difficult video, but there you go.
Right, thank you very much all our subscribers. Thank you very much for commenting and liking us and sharing our videos.
Yeah, thank you very much. If you are watching us anywhere else on any other sort of link, get over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you can hit the 2,000 subscribers before the end of the year.
Yeah. And then, you know, we might be on Netflix making a documentary that's actually true to life.
Yeah, Netflix, get watching us.
Yes. We went live through our teeth, make you vomit.
Not live through my teeth, I'm not going to make you vomit. Right, I think we've both had enough.
We've both had enough. Until next time, it's goodbye from him.
It's goodbye from him.
Huzzah to the king!
Hey.
Not Meghan Markle.